Wait a minute, King Killer is getting up. And the King just takes him right back down. Come on, the match is over. Punch. He punches an uppercut. Oh, more punches and another uppercut. The King, oh, just taking him down. The T-bone suplex. He still gets up. Then another backstabber. The King, oh, a shot at the stairs. Oh, a shot square in the face. King is sending a message. Right here. He throws him over the top rope. Oh no. Wait a minute here. This may not be good. Doesn't look. Oh my god! Oh my god! It was right in front of me here. He just went through a flaming table and his jaw bounced off my announce table. And now he's gonna drop him on the outside. God. God. The clothesline. And now he's taking apart my table. This is gonna be the 4th or 5th time I've lost my table here tonight. What is he doing? Is he doing it? Oh, got the cutter through the table! Oh my god! He throws him back in the ring. There's a knee in the back. Oh no. Oh no, no. Don't do it. Don't do it. Wait a minute. What the? That's I never thought I'd see him again. That's Mr. Miracle. He's back. What the? Mr. Miracle has returned. King Killer has rolled out the ring, and the King he's in shock here. A clothesline, cheap shot by the King, and now the King is just wailing away at Mr. Miracle. This may be a very short return here. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, elbow. It takes him down with the shooting star splash. And again. Mr. Miracle, I never thought I'd see him here again. We haven't seen him in about almost a year. Mr. Miracle takes King down. Wait, what is this? Wait a minute here. And he drops him with the Miracle Worker. And, oh, there's the Miracle. There's the Miracle Moonstomp. Mr. Miracle is back. I can't believe how things have went down here. The Miracle, he looks different. Takes on a new look, but he's back. He's ready for vengeance against the King.